Hi, Jennifer from Tarlespeech with your 2 for Tuesday. These words are pronounced exactly the same way, different spellings, different meanings. We have a shutter, which is a hinged panel on the outside of a window, and shudder means to tremble with fear. So to say these words correctly, we have 2 beats or 2 syllables, ʃʌdər. Start this word with the SH sound, 2 letters, 1 sound, sh. This is the quiet sound, sh. To do this, pucker your lips, tongue is not touching your teeth, sh. Air just continues to move out. Next, relax your lips and your tongue for the sound, sh, sh, sh. Then we're going to move to the D sound, d. Touch the tip of the tongue to the back of your top front teeth, and then pull that tongue, either pointing it down or flipping it back away from the teeth. Back of the tongue is pulled way high up, and then you're going to make your lips square and tense for that der, der, der. This is actually a flap T, which is a super fast D sound. I think that's the easiest way to think about it. Some people make this a little further back in their mouth by touching the top of their mouth. But if you think about it as a fast D, you should be okay. Let's put it all together. Shudder, 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 shudder. And now for a sentence. She felt her body shudder as the shutter hit the window during the storm. Give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. Please give us a like and a share, and check out our products on Google Play, iTunes, and our classes at Tarlespeech if you need a little bit more help. Thanks so much, everyone. Have an awesome week.